Okay, another question from a student. How do I create a start button that starts the game and an exit button that exits the game? This is pretty straightforward. I've created two little buttons here. I just downloaded them from online. I think the website was Pixel Art Generator, and that is here. Pixel Art Maker. And you can download those or create them. I'm not really sure how it worked. I just searched for it. So making the objects. So I've got an object, obj start button, and I'll select the right sprite for it. Now keep in mind, I am going to be making another video on how to make a menu that moves with the arrow keys, but this is fine as well. So now all we need to do is tell it what happens when we click on it. So there's a few things that we can do with this. I'm going to make it a bit more interesting than just what am I saying? Than just clicking it and nothing happens. So we're going to go mouse, and these global ones down the bottom mean anywhere in the room. So with this, we don't want to use that. This is good for like shooting, and you can use it to shoot where you click a mouse button, but we want to be able to click this. So we're going to make it so when the left button is pressed, we're going to do something with the code. So we're going to go x plus equals, or x plus equals 2, y plus equals 2. We'll say 1 for that. And that's what's going to happen. And then add event, left mouse, mouse released, left middle, left released. That's what I'm looking for. Left released. When left is released, we're going to go to room equals next room. No, that's not right. Go to room underscore go to next. Okay, so that's going to start up the next room. Now I need to put this in a room. Now I'll demonstrate what this is going to do. It's just going to make it have a nice little subtle effect. When we click it, the button will move to show that we've clicked it. That's all that's going to happen. I'll put this in the room. So I'll create a room and call it title, and drag it up to the top here. Now I may have some issues with this, so let's just see. No, it should be all good. So I'll need to check just to make sure. Views 960 by 704. That's what I want to make this here, just to make it easier on myself, so I don't have to change stuff later. And I'll get that object. I'll put that start button in here. I could put a nice background in the distance, but there is a start button. I click it, it moves, and then it goes to the start of the game. So that's working. What about the exit button? It's pretty much the same thing. So insert object, obj exit button, exit, add event. I'll just do the other part for this. So the mouse released, left released, and the code for this is game end. At least I think that is it. I'll put that in the room and test it. That's the start button, exit button, which for some reason is bigger than the start button, but I'm not worrying about the graphics here. I just want to show you how to do it. Exit, exits the game. So pretty straightforward. Later on we will look at creating a menu similar to the Quiz Night game, where you can use the arrow keys to move up and down on the menu, and we'll end up using a list for that.